Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restorations. Today we've got another fun one. It's a Hot Wheels 1963 Chevy 2. It was the 50th anniversary item, and it just seemed really dull, especially with them gold bumpers and wheels and grill. So I thought, we'll make it look a little nicer. I'd already pre-drilled it out. I figured you folks were getting tired of seeing that. This is all the pieces. I was going to do a wheel swap on it, but I found out after I took them off I didn't have any wheels that would fit it. So I ended up just cleaning those up and putting them back on. Wanted to get rid of this gold chrome. Sprayed it with the oven cleaner. Make sure you do this in a ventilated area like your spray booth or something. Make you gag. You guys are about to witness my first broken tap. There it is. Snapped it right off. I was able to switch taps and do the front one okay, or the back one. When I put it back together, I just used a little dab of super glue and then some epoxy putty, and then smashed it to make it look like a rivet. Used the Dremel then and my burr to try to clean it up. Even that burr wouldn't cut that hard steel down. So I ended up having to chip it off with a pair of needle nose pliers and just keep snapping it off. My one and only button head screw 256. Time for our favorite stripper. Beefy's starting to look a little grungy there, but I ain't wasting it. I'll use it till it's gone. Wire wheel action. Like I always say, it shines it up, gives it a little tooth for the paint. buffing, I sprayed the degreaser on it here. For those of you that are going to ask me in the comments how come I didn't use primer, I will mention again that this tester paint is primer and paint mixed together. It seems to do a very good job. I use the icy blue metallic. Wash the windshield, and then after it's dried, dip it in a little pledge, dab it off, and put a cover over it. Leave it overnight. Here's all of our pieces ready for reassembly. See, I put those wheels right back on, just chromed them. That's what we started with, the Hot Wheels 1963 Chevy 2. Dull gray color paint, goofy gold. This is what we ended up with. Ice blue, metallic. The decals were from 2A HD Cat. I won them along with a cash prize in his giveaway. Detailed the bumpers, the grill, the headlights, taillights. If you look real close, there's the SS emblem on either side at the end. For now, this is Opaw saying, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and goodbye.